want to get this horn. Alright, that's a sick horn. I'm pretty sure that's like an Yeah, that's what I love about this crossing. The train engines always honk for you. Looks like this is just a full hopper train.
Follow it down?
Yeah, let's follow it. Testing. Yep, that's something we haven't done in a while. Train chase. Just train chase it. Especially try to beat it down to a crossing so we can get across. Okay? Just try to beat it down to a crossing, okay? Because if we can, I want to get across the lines and chase it. Or let's just go.
Basically, Terry's got to know that because they've had to voice their displeasure. There's no way Jason Garrett wants him around.
Try to get in front of it, get out there, and come back to this crossing so we can catch the back engines. I'll be recording on here full time.
All the logical answers are you don't. But the problem is they don't have a good quarterback. I mean, a good linebacker situation. And there have been times.
It's been so long since we've chased a train.
Rolando McClain, and it's made a little bit of a difference. I think.
See, we have a disadvantage because we're on road.
But I think because of the way they've got his contract structured, they just look at it as it's no big deal.
I'm pretty sure that's like a new K5LA as well. So that horn is amazing.
More talented than any linebacker we have except for Sean Lee, who's hurt a lot. There's no cap hit there that you have to worry about because of the suspension during that time. You don't have to worry about that until he comes back. The only thing really, the only reason
Here, since this is kind of a shaded area. Wait, there's the engines.
No reason to do it though. If we're being honest, I know everyone thinks that we should, but
Okay, since this is going to be a mainly shaded area for a few minutes, I'm going to stop this video and then restart up again once we get in a clear area.